guys, and welcome to your whiteboard briefing for Friday. I hope you've enjoyed the week so far, getting back in here, back to back days, finally back in the gym. Let's talk about your programming for Friday. You're going to start with a warm-up workout. It's really just going to be a move through to get you ready for what's coming up the rest of the day, but we're going to be working through some straight leg, single leg deadlifts, and you can use the kettlebells that you have in your lane for that, and we're just going to do 10 on each side, nice, slow, and controlled, okay? Making sure that we lock our belly into place, that we are moving our shoulders and our hips at the correct pace, right, so that we don't drop our shoulder before our hips, and then create those bad positions. And then after that, we're going to be doing Russian kettlebell swings. So again, just working on some hip hop stuff here. Kettlebell's not going to be going up too high. The weight should be pretty light. We're going to be working through that for 6 minutes. Again, it's just going to be your warm-up workout, so keep that in mind when you're working through, because following your warm-up workout, we are going to be doing deadlifts. You are going to have, again, 12 minutes to establish your 1 rep max. The coaches are going to be very diligent on what is going to be your heaviest rep for the day. There is no need to sacrifice any parts of our body to try to hit a lift right now. We want to make sure that our bodies remember how to do all of these things. We can do them safely, figure out where our strength is, staying within the guidelines and the protocol, since we use that term a lot, of what your movement should look like. So just keep that in mind as you're working through those deadlifts, okay? You will have a chance to retest down the road once you've been in here for a little bit, and then we can kind of work on hitting those top numbers on those deadlifts. And then after that, our WOD for today is going to be sets of EMOMs, and we're going to group the movements together. So you're going to have an EMOM 5, right? So every minute for 5 minutes, you are going to be doing 12 deadlifts, okay? So you're going to do all 5 minutes of deadlifts first, okay? Scale the weight and the reps if you need to allow yourself about 30 seconds of work time and 30 seconds of rest time, because you're essentially doing 60 reps within a 5-minute period, which is an aggressive amount of volume, so you need to be able for it to be at a weight that you can kind of cycle through. When you're done with your 5 minutes of deadlifts, we're going to go EMOM 5 for 12 lateral burpees. So you're going to be parallel with that bar that you just deadlifted with, and you're going to go over it 12 times. Again, you're doing all 5 minutes of those burpees back to back to back to back. Then you have an EMOM 5, so again, 5 minutes of handstand push-ups. We're going to try to do 12 handstand push-up reps. You can go to the wall for that. You can scale on the box. Your stations have boxes and benches. There's a number of other different ways you can scale. You can sit down and do a Z-press. You also have kettlebells at your station. All of those things are available to you, but you're doing 12 reps, 12 reps, 12 reps, 12 for the 5 minutes. And then you're going to finish your workout with another EMOM 5 of your 12 lateral burpees. So it's a total of 20 minutes, but it should be a pretty solid work-rest ratio working through those 4 movements. That's what's on your agenda for Friday. Don't forget, Saturday is also a partner workout, so if you do want to work with somebody, we're going to leave that up to you. Only one of you needs to make the reservation for your lane, and then the second person will sign in for class once they arrive for those class times. So hopefully you guys have had a good week. We'll see you Friday, we'll see you Saturday, and we'll just keep on keeping on. Have a good one.